ओके।
श्री व्यासदेव की जय। गर्ग संहिता की जय। गोलोकदामाधिपति परेश्वर परेषु मां पातु पवित्र कीर्तन भूमण्डलं सर्षपवद्विलक्ष्यते यन्मूर्ध्नि मां पातु स भूमिमण्डले तेनासुमाम्रशतु शिरपाणि युद्धे सदा रक्षतु मां हरि च दुर्गेषु च मुसरि सदा मां वनेषु सङ्कर्षणादिदेव कलिन्दजावेग हरो जनेषु नीलाम्बरो रक्षतु मां सदाज्ञा वायौ च रामो वतु केवलस्य महार्णवेनन्त वपु सदा माम् श्रीवासुदेवो वतु पर्वतेषु सहस्रशीर्षा च महावीवादि रोगेषु मां रक्षतु रोहिणेयो मां कामपालो वतु विपस्तु कामात् सदा रक्षतु धेनुकारि क्रोधात् सदा मां द्विविधप्रहारी लोभात् सदा रक्षतु बलारि मोहात् सदा मां किल मागधारि प्रातः सदा रक्षतु वृष्णिधूर्य प्राणे सदा मां मथुरापुरेन्द्र मध्याह्निने गोप सख प्रपातो स्वरात् पराणे वतु मां सदैव सायं फणीन्द्रो वतु मां सदैव परात् परो रक्षतु मां प्रदोषे पूर्णे निशीते च दूरन्तवीर्य प्रत्युष्य काले वतु मां सदैव विदिक्षु मां रक्षतु रेवतीपते दिक्षु प्रलम्बारि अधो यादुद्वाव ऊर्ध्वं सदा मां बलभद्रारात् तथा समन्ताद् बलदेव इव हि अन्तः सदा व्यात् पुरुषोत्तमो महेत् नागेन्द्रलीलोऽवतु मां महाबल तदान्तरात्मा च वसंहरि स्वयं प्रपातु पूर्णा परमेश्वरो महान् देवासुराणां भयनाशनं च हुताशनं पापक्षयञ्जनानां विनाशनं विघ्न घातस्य वीर्ये सिंहासनं वर्मा वरं बलस्य। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, निताय गौर हरि बोल। जय जय प्रभुपाद।
Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Go to Premanand. Sorry, Karuna, we've lost you. Internet connection, probably. Thank you for singing that beautifully, bhajan about Lord Baladev. So, yes, Riansh, please read the English translation.
Yes, Prabhuji. Translation 1. My Lord Balaram, who is the master of Goloka, who is the supreme controller of all controllers, and whose fame is spotless, protect me. My Lord Balaram, who honors
On his head holds the earth as if it was a single mustard seed. Protect me in this world. May
my
Lord.
Lord Balaram,
Yeah.
protect me when I am surrounded by many armies. My Lord Balaram, who holds the plow, always protect me in battle. My Lord Balaram, who holds the club, always protect me in many fortresses. My Lord Balaram, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, protect me in the forest. There. My Lord Balaram, who wears blue garments and who stopped the Yamuna, always protect me in fire. My Lord Balaram, protect me in the wind. My Lord Balaram, protect me in the sky. My Lord Balaram, who is Lord Alalta himself, always protect me in the great ocean. My Lord Balaram, who is Vasudeva's son, protect me on mountains. My Lord Balaram, who has 1,000 heads, protect me in great disputes. My Lord Balaram, who is Rohini's son, protect me from diseases. My Lord Balaram, who fulfills desires, protect me from catastrophes. 5. My Lord Balaram, who is the enemy of Dhenukasura, always protect me from lust. My Lord Balaram, who killed Dvivida, always protect me from anger. My Lord Balaram, who is the enemy of Balwala, always protect me from greed. My Lord Balaram, who is the enemy of Jarasandha, always protect me from illusion. My Lord Balaram, who is the best of the Vishnus, always protect me at sunrise. My Lord Balaram, who is the king of Madura city, always protect me in the morning. My Lord Balaram, who is the friend of Gopas, always protect me at midday. My Lord Balaram, who is supremely independent, always protect me in the afternoon. My Lord Balaram, who is the king of serpents, always protect me at sunset. My Lord Balram, who is greater than the greatest, always protect me in the evening. My Lord Balram, whose power is invincible, always protect me in the middle of the night. My Lord Balram, always protect me at every sunrise. My Lord Balram, who is the master of Revati, protect me from every direction. My Lord Balram, who is the enemy of Pralamba, protect me from every direction. My Lord Balram, who is the best of the Yadavas, protect me from below. My Lord Balram, always protect me from above. My Lord Balram, protect me from near and far. My Lord Balram, protect me everywhere. May Lord Balram, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, always protect me from within. May Lord Balram, who enjoys pastimes as the King of Serpents, protect me from without. My Lord Balram is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Super Soul residing in everyone's heart, always protect me. Then, please note that this is the Kavach of Lord Balram, is the best of armors, and destroys the fears of the demigods and the demons. It's a blazing fire that burns up the fuel of the host of sins. It is the death of a host of obstacles. It is the abode of spiritual perfection. Thank you, Praise Hare Krishna.
Wonderful. Thank you. So, Garga Muni previously gave this mantra to the Vraj gopis, where herein Sri Pradvipak Muni speaks the same kavach to Duryodhan. After bathing and dressing in a clean cotton garments, the person should sit on a kusha grass mat, purify his hands with mantras, bow down, and with fixed intelligence meditate on Lord Krishna's elder brother Lord Balaram while chanting this kavach. This kavach will ensure one who is filled with protection against Maya, as stated in the Garga Muni. So, what a powerful kavach. Balaram is, Bala means strength, Ram means one who gives pleasure to the Lord. So Balaram is one who gives protection. And this is such a wonderful bhajan which gives so much wonderful information about how to seek protection from Lord Balaram. Karuna, anything you'd like to share?
Yeah, while Rianch was going through the different verses, the meaning of the verses, I was thinking about maybe it could be a kavach, and then on the 10th one, it is mentioned that that's a kavach because it's quite similar to nursing a kavach, protection from every direction, from every in every part of the body and all. Yeah.
Yes,
Very nice.
Yeah. It's a very good coverage. So yeah, thank you so much, both of you, Karuna and also Riyanj, for reading this and you singing it, Karuna. Beautiful bhajan, beautiful kavach. So it's Golok Dama Deepati Pareshwar, and its official name is Baladev Shtotra Kavach by Vyasdev in the Garga Samhita. Shri Vyasdev ki jai, Balaram ki jai.